Welcome to Little Big Book by Chancel Landry, honoring Native American Indian Month. Pioneers of the past, leaders of the present. Sherman, also known as the Sioux chef, is a renowned Oglala Lakota chef based in the United States. He has gained recognition for his efforts in reviving and promoting indigenous foods and culinary traditions. Sherman is committed to revitalizing Native American cuisines and challenging stereotypes associated with indigenous foods. He co-founded the Sioux Chef with Dana Thompson, aiming to educate people about the rich culinary heritage of Native American communities. The Sioux Chef explores pre-colonial food systems and utilizes traditional, locally sourced ingredients in its culinary creations. Sherman's work extends beyond the kitchen as he is actively involved in educational initiatives and public speaking engagements to raise awareness about indigenous foods and their cultural significance.